If you've ever wrenched on anything with wheels, you already know the legend of the missing 10mm socket. 1 minute it's in your hand, the next it's gone, vanished, like it was never born. Here's the thing, we got tired of blaming the toolbox, the shop floor, or that one coworker who borrows without asking. So we decided to solve the mystery once and for all with math. 1 socket, easy to lose. 100, now we're talking. Every mechanic knows it. Projects stop dead when the 10mm goes missing. You tear apart drawers, check under cars, even accuse the dog. And replacements? Sure, you can buy them one at a time, but why fight a war with a single bullet? That's why we built the 100-piece 10mm socket set. Yeah, you heard right. 100 professional grade chrome sockets split between 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch drives in both shallow and deep. Each socket is crafted from chrome vanadium steel with a 6-point off-corner loading design, meaning less wear on fasteners, more torque, and fewer stripped bolts. Rust resistant, shop tough, and, let's be honest, pretty much future-proof. Sure, you'll still lose them, we all do, but now, you'll have 99 backups waiting in the wings. So the next time your 10mm disappears into the void, don't panic. Just grab another, and another, and another, because with this set, the only thing running out is excuses. This is Grease and Gears, where tools meet reality, and sometimes reality needs 100 sockets. Keep it cool and greasy.